Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm excited to show you the A major arpeggio. That's right, I'm going to take you through all the correct fingerings and letter names, both right and left hand, how to put it together 1 and 2 octaves. Before we get started, I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it at all helpful, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and share this out with your friends and family. Also, if you feel like leaving me a comment in the comment section below about how I can improve my videos, or if you have a topic that you'd like me to cover in one of my future videos, I would really appreciate that as well. So let's get started by taking a look at the right hand. Now, the A major arpeggio is going to have a C sharp, and the letter names go like this. We're going to start on A, C sharp, E, A, E, C sharp, A. Those fingers for 1 octave are 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. To make it 2 octaves, what we're going to do is when we get to this A, instead of putting our pinky there, we're going to tuck our thumb and just continue on up. So the fingers for that are going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going to tuck your thumb under to A. Make sure that you don't pop out your elbow, that you let your fingers and your thumb do all the work. 2, 3, 5. Let me do that a little smoother for you. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. We're coming back down the same way we went up. 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's check out the left hand. Left hand's going to use the same letter name, so I'm just going to take you through fingering. For 1 octave, it's going to look like this. 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. 2 octaves, we're just going, when we get to this A, we're going to cross our third finger over to C sharp to proceed on higher. Okay, this is what it looks like. 5, 3, 2, 1. Cross your 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Tuck your thumb. A, 2, 3, 5. One more time. 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's take a look at putting hands together. Now, the great thing about all the major arpeggios that have a sharp as the middle note is that both hands are going to use third finger and neither are using your fourth finger. That does make it a little bit easier when we put it together. Okay, this is what it's going to look like 1 octave hands together. The letters are A, C sharp, E, A, E, C sharp, A. For 2 octaves, we're going to put both our thumbs on this A when we get to the middle, like this. A, C sharp, E, both thumbs on A, C sharp, E, A, E, C sharp, A, E, C sharp, A. Here it is a little smoother. With a little bit of practice, that will become easy. All right, I'd just like to thank you so much for watching the video once again. Please consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments below, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.